Hello everyone, today in this video, I am going to show you how to change Google search language. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your Google app and tap on top right your profile icon. Now here you have to click on Settings. Now scroll down and click on Other Settings. After that, you have to click on Language and Region. Now here you have to click on Search Language. Now here you can select your language in which you want to use Google search. In this way, you can change the language of Google search. After changing the language, whatever you search on Google will appear in your selected language. If you liked this video, then please subscribe the channel. See you in the next interesting video.